السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا كاس 3، المفروض انه مع طقم دوارة، يعني الكاس والمفتاح والكنترول ده بتوع بعض. بس في مشكلة في الكاس نفسه، حد كان حاول يبرمجه او كده وحصل فيه مشكلة، ما بقاش شغال خالص. مش عارف انا برضو السبب ايه، ان هو كان بيضيف مفتاح، الله اعلم، مش عارف السبب ايه. هنحاول نصلح الكاس او فايلات الكاس اذا كان فلاش او ايبروم او كده، نشوف ايه المشكلة يعني. Hello everybody, now I'm having this CAS control unit. It's supposed to be a starting kit. The key is for this CAS and is for this engine ECU. But somebody tried to program the CAS. I don't know why he tried to program it, maybe for adding a key or something else, I don't know. But now we have a problem on the CAS itself. I don't know exactly the problem, Flash or Eeprom, but now I put it on my test platform I have here, the GBE and cluster. I connected everything, power and ground, to the platform. Now the power supply is on, and if everything is okay, I should have power there, or anything here. But it seems that there is a problem on the CAS. Maybe it's not communicating. So first thing I will see if the CAS is communicating or not. We go with my Think Diag BMW. Also here, I think I'm not having power on the start stop button. Manually select 3 series E90 drive and CAS. كده انا بحاول اشوف فيه تواصل اصلا مع كنترول الكاس ولا لا، ويعني ندوس على الزرار كم مرة كده هو مش متواصل. هتجرب كمان مرة. كده الفيشة اشتغلت. هحاول احط المفتاح هنا كده. هو هنا بقى في communication، يعني بعد ما دوسنا هنا كم مرة. Try to wake up the CAS with maybe pressing start stop button or inserting the key. Here I don't have a part number. Continue. Read fault code, no fault code, module information. Seems that nothing here in part number, also when nothing, but at least it's still communicating. But I don't have any power here. The cluster connector is connected, so if everything is okay, and also here I have the emulator for the ELV. If everything is okay, I should insert the key and I should be able to turn the ignition on. But here is a problem on the CAS, and it's communicating, still communicating, but for sure we don't have a part number when we have nothing here. Okay, so at least it's still communicating. So now I think I should connect ICOM and update it or flash it again with ICOM. So now I will connect ICOM and try to wake up the CAS with inserting the key on the key slot and pushing the start stop button to wake up the CAS, and continue with ICOM. I connect ICOM now and see what we can do next. Okay, now here I have everything connected for the platform, and ICOM is connected to the OBD and USB is there. So now, and the power supply is on. Go to iTool radar. You have to look the ICOM. Then I will see if I can communicate with tool 32 first. Maybe I can get the UIF. CAS. Identify. No response. Identify. No response. Again, no response. Still no response. Why think Diag was able to communicate? AIF. Still no response. Okay, I will maybe I have to do it once again. Let's switch only for, no, I'm using I turn it on the second one. Power for ICOM is okay. Identify. No response. AIF. No response. Okay. I will try it once again with winkfp. Comfort mode, update the USB. CAS3 interval. I will type 111. I will type all of them 1, then done. Programs be update. I will see if it will not be able. I think it will not be able to program it. Try to wake up. UIF can't be read. Okay. It didn't tell me that the control module is not communicating. So comfort mode. I think this control C4 here should be updated to I don't remember. Enter the USB or choose CAS3. Only this one. Maybe I have to import E90 data. Yes, this one is for E60. So I will import the data of E90, then I will continue. So wait for that and we'll come back again. Okay, now I imported E89 or E90 data to winkfp. But here I want to know which ZUSB we can update for this control. So this one begin with 6.9 and end with 3.4. So here I will go to my SP data E89 data, then CAS3 should be one of those. Minimize this one, go to again to SP data in E89, then KMM data, KMM ATSH. Okay, and here Control F, find, type this one 6943 6943 834. Okay, find next, nothing, only this. I'm sorry, we'll close. Sorry for that, I will do it once again. Control find next. Here is the update for this number 6943834. okay, one of them is 9389115. I will cancel this, then minimize this one and go here. Here is flash files for CAS3, and here is the part number for this CAS. So we have to choose any one of those. I think 9389115. Here it is, 9389115. Okay, so I will try to update with this file, and I will go directly with winkfp to choose if we can do it. So ICOM is locked, I don't know. iTool, okay, ICOM is locked. winkfp, comfort mode, choose.
السلام عليكم.
السلام ورحمة الله. I think it will be this one. Okay. Enter pin. Okay. Then done. Power is on. Try to wake up. Program. Reading hardware number from ECU. Then program. Again, so now I think I will assemble this CAS and try to fix it with BDM programmer. Okay, now I connected with BDM programmer the CAS, this one, and I will read the files with vvdi prog. Okay, I will connect power to, then I will save them on this file E90 corrupted CAS. Okay, this one. I will save the files here and compare the files with another good ones, maybe from same flash, and I will have a look inside them and see. Okay, here there are two files after I read them with vvdi prog. Okay, now I want to have a look inside the Eeprom file. It looks like there is something there. Here is a flash file. Go slowly. Here I think I have too much 3F. Look here, too much 3F. Some 3F here. Okay, I think this flash is not good. So I will see and try to get a good flash from the same part number and compare them. Okay, after that I went to download a flash file for this unit. Then here I got two files, one with the same part number and the other after the update, which will be look here, this one is the basic version and this one will be after the update. So I want to compare. I already downloaded those two. Here I have them. Those are my files, and this one before and this one after the update. So firstly I tried to load the Eeprom on vvdi 2 to see if I can get Vin and info from it, and I already have them. Key learn, maybe file make key, load Eeprom, okay, and I have kilometers or mileage. Also I have Vin and 3 keys on it. So I will close this one. Then if I try to compare the flash files, this flash is for me. Try with this one. Compare the flash. From the beginning looks different. Also it have too much 3F, so maybe this is not the problem, but you can see too much difference. But if I compare my flash with this one, look here, it looks like same but with a little bit difference at the end, especially at the end of the file. Okay, so I decided to write this flash file with vvdi prog. Then I will connect with the OBD2. Here everything is connected. Open vvdi prog. Then I will, after I write the flash file, this one, flash, open, then write. Yes. After I write this file, I will see if I will be able to communicate by OBD2 or with my platform here, I will see if I will be able to communicate with this CAS or not. Also, I will see if I will be able to turn the ignition on with this key or not. Okay, so I will wait for the writing process, then I will come back again. Okay, after writing the flash and turning power supply on and everything here is connected, I'm still not able to get anything here on the dash. And if I insert the key, nothing happens. If I try to communicate with CAS, also try to wake up, nothing happens. Turn off this one. Nothing happens and I can't communicate. So I will have a look inside vvdi prog. Maybe I can fix this. If not, maybe I will try to write the Eeprom to or repair the Eeprom if it is in boot mode. Okay, now I tried with vvdi prog special function CAS repair, and you can connect with OBD2. Okay. It will ask you to load the Eeprom file of the CAS, or maybe if you have the ID of the CAS, you can type it. Now I think it can communicate. Sorry for the beginning, I didn't go directly with the beginning, but you have to go to special function CAS repair, then you can connect with OBD2, maybe on the car, and if you have a platform like this one, you can go with it, but it should work with OBD2. Then it will ask you to insert the key and hit the start stop button. I don't know if this one will fix flash only or flash or and Eeprom, I don't know. But here we have repairing CAS system. For sure, don't touch the power supply. I hope I can fix this one without losing the key. If you have a full flash and Eeprom, you can write both of them and edit the VIN and ISN on it, then I think it will be okay. Or maybe we have too much choices. Maybe you can write a full backup Eeprom and Flash from whatever we get, then make a key for them. No, I think this one is encrypted. Anyway, we can wait for this. And I will see what we can do next if this one fails. But I don't want to make another key. Okay, I will wait for this till it ends. Checking signature. Not correct. Failed to update part 2. Connect. Look here, the ID is 8389115. I will do it with the ID. Assalamu alaikum. ISTAP. You can get from connect. So CAS ID would be 9389115. Okay, then continue. Insert. Okay. Okay. Connecting to CAS system. Should be taken from. Okay. Starting unit. Okay, this one will take too much time, so I will wait for this and come back again and tell you the results. Okay, I think it will finish soon. Again, not correct. Okay, so now I will see what I will do next. Okay, now I connected the CAS to vvdi prog again and continue to write a good flash file. A good flash file for this ID. This ID 9398115. So from the beginning, if you compare my file here, first thing we read if we compare that flash file with this one, you will see that looks like same with a little bit difference at the end of the file from corrupted, and at the end everything is okay. So I wrote this file, good file 9389115, okay, and after playing for some time with CAS, I read the file of Eeprom, and I want to compare from the beginning. This is the Eeprom from the beginning, and this is the Eeprom after we played with it with vvdi 2. Everything is the same, only this one is different. Only this one is different. I have an option to repair Eeprom on CGDI, BMW, and other issues, but I will see if it will be able to communicate with this one or not. And again, after writing a good flash, power supply is on, still nothing. Okay. I will not try the communication, but now I will have a look to see if the Eeprom is on boot mode. So I will connect CGDI, then connect vvdi prog to write the Eeprom back again. Okay, now I connected CGDI BMW and went for other BMW data repair, then CAS3 data repair, 0L15Y confirm, desktop, test, this file, original Eeprom for me, open, desktop, test, CGDI, Eeprom, save, close, Eeprom, CGDI Eeprom, look for the difference. Okay, so I will write this Eeprom file and see what we will get. So here Eeprom and CGDI Eeprom, the repair on this address F90 01 then 4 zeros. So I read the Eeprom file F90, those should be 0000, then write. Okay, now I will connect again to the platform and see. Okay, after power is on, CAS is there. After I insert the key, and finally we have light on start stop button. If I insert the key, I have -40. If I press start stop button, will show you. Okay. Okay, now I'm able to turn the ignition on. So this time we have to go to the car and see if it will start with this or not. Now here, and after this problem is solved, here I have CAS dumps backup. This flash is good, okay, and on test I will copy this file, paste here, and copy this one and paste here. Then I will try to get the ECU ISN from the Eeprom with a working key. So if this problem happens again, I will write flash and this Eeprom, and I have a known ISN for this Eeprom file. CGDI BMW other data repair CAS3 load data desktop test CGDI Eeprom open encrypted version decrypt yes. Please try to put the car key into the programming coil of CGDI. Car key is there. Confirm. Reading car key. Okay. This one should be the DME ISN. Copy. New text. DME ISN. Enter, Control V. Close and save. Now I want to do it again. BMW data repair, CAS3 load, CGDI Eeprom, no, E692, copy, enter, CAS, enter, Control V. Look here for the difference. If you want to program a key, you must enter this one. Here also I have the DME ISN, I can double check that, but this one should be okay if you program a key with this Eeprom&Flash file for this encrypted version of CAS. So if it is easy to fix the CAS and make another key, maybe I can write the whole file on the second problem, or if I have the same problem, and make a key, and it will be too fast. Okay.